What's up? It's Ginobili. Have you guys ever wondered how YouTubers and TikTokers get into like private custom games to like showcase a new operator, weapon, etc.? Well, I do too. And I always look on YouTube and TikTok and I see like no tutorials on how to do it. It's kind of weird. So today I'm coming with a tutorial on how to do it since I found out and I want to share it with y'all. So let's just make this quick. Let me get started. So first you want to come and go to the custom game menu, right? You're here. You have these three options. Usually people create online, but for this you'd want to create local. Alright, you gotta wait for that. Alright, and now you're in this thing. Personally, what I'm gonna do when I do these, I select free for all. However, I think you can do any of them. Alright, so now we're here. If you want to change up the map, you can. Like, let's say I want to do, I don't know, like theme park. I can change it. You can do all this. It's like attacking. Yeah, people know the settings, right? So you're here, and usually it would say you need 2 players to begin. However, if you selected what I selected, it would say begin now, right at the bottom. So for me, I would press R2, and as you can see, the match has begun. And now we try to wait for it to load. You, the opponents. Alright. So now, I think I can choose between attacking and defending. Alright, so let's say I chose, I don't know, Ash. The game starts in 2 seconds. As you can see at the top, it just shows my avatar. And let's wait to load. Let's wait to load. Alright. And
eliminate as many
as you can
hostiles
see,
as you can.
it says at the top like question mark, but I've like looked around. It doesn't show like no one. There's no one. All right. As you can see, it shows no one on this like little tab. So yeah, you can just I don't know, film whatever you want, showcase your weapons. Showcase methods of attack. You're by yourself, so you can do whatever you want. All right, and that's it. That's all. It's pretty easy. I hope you like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on. Come back to my channel for more tutorials. See y'all in the next one.